What's up, Geeksters? Today I'm going to be doing a mega mattress roundup review. So we've been using our current mattress for about 10 years now, and it's time for an upgrade. So I have 5 mattresses that we've been testing out for the past few weeks, and we're ready to make our pick. Now, full disclosure, all the mattresses that we tested were sent to us free for review from themattressshop.com, and I'll include links in the description if you guys are interested in checking any of these out after the review. But just a heads up, all of these mattresses are available for online ordering and are shipped free to your front door, rolled up and vacuum sealed. And all these mattresses were medium firmness hybrid mattresses with like a layer of foam on top and springs at the bottom. So for this review, we're focusing on firmness, cooling, shock absorption, and back support. And so we wanted to find a mattress with medium firmness because I prefer firm beds, because sometimes I deal with back pain, but my wife is the opposite. She likes soft beds. So we're hoping to find a medium mattress that we both will like. And so we've actually, the mattress that we were using right now that we're replacing, that we've used for 10 years, is actually a split custom mattress, with my side being super firm and her side being very soft. But the company that made that mattress doesn't offer split firmness anymore in one single mattress. So we've been hesitant to try out anything new for a while. The next thing we're looking for was for a cooling mattress, because my wife and I run hot while we sleep, and cooling mattresses weren't really a thing 10 years ago. So we wanted to try out a few of those to see if they actually worked. Also, we're both side sleepers, but I also like to sleep on my stomach, and I also toss and turn quite a bit at night. So we wanted to find a mattress that had good shock absorption where my wife wouldn't feel me moving throughout the night. All right, let's talk about the mattresses that we tested. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bury the lead here and just announce the best mattress overall that we're going to be using in our bed, which is the Helix Midnight Luxe. But we're not surprised that this was our overall pick, because the split firmness mattress that we had been using for the past 10 years that I mentioned earlier, that was actually a Helix mattress also. This mattress offered the best sleep, and I think it was maybe the second mattress that my wife and I had tested. But after just one night of sleeping, we both woke up the next morning and we looked at each other and we were like, this is the mattress. Now, of course, we still had 3 other mattresses that we needed to test out, but this one remained our top choice even after testing out the other 3 mattresses. Mostly because it satisfied our firmness requirements, even though we're both on separate spectrums on that front, but the medium firmness satisfied both of us. And the shock absorption was top notch. I could toss and turn, even hop out of bed, and my wife wouldn't even notice. And my back also felt great when waking up in the morning after sleeping on this mattress. So for this mattress, Helix offers a 120-night sleep trial. So if you don't like it, you can actually return it for free, and they'll even come and pick it up. Helix also has like a sleep quiz on their site where you can answer a few questions about your sleep preferences and your body type, and then it'll recommend the best mattress for you. And actually, when I took it, it actually recommended this mattress for both of us. So I guess they know their stuff at Helix. Okay, let's check out the next mattress. So if you're primarily a side sleeper like us, then the Leesa Sapira Chill mattress is for you. It's our pick for the best hybrid mattress. And the real kicker with this one is that the way it cradles those pressure points without letting you sink in too far into the mattress. Plus, with the Duro style pillow top and those layers of high-end foam, your shoulders and your hips, they get the relief that they need for perfect alignment. Plus, the zone pocketed coils, they give you that extra boost of support right where you need it the most. And the cooling performance here is another major highlight. So this mattress utilizes a cover that's literally cool to the touch, and it's specifically engineered to draw away heat from your body. And the hybrid design, it ensures top-tier airflow across the entire bed. And so it delivers the essential pressure relief that we side sleepers crave without that annoying sensation of being stuck in the foam layers, if you know what I mean. And the shock absorption of this mattress was really good, but my wife could still feel some movement when I tossed and turned on it throughout the night. This mattress also offers a 120-night risk-free trial with free returns as well. And speaking of cooling mattresses, let's go ahead and jump to the best cooling mattress of the 5 that we tested, and that would be the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora Luxe cooling mattress. So the configuration that we got for this one included an optional cloud pillow top with thermophase cooling foam. And you can definitely feel the cooling effect emanating from this mattress. But keep in mind, you'll need to make sure that you use thin sheets, not like those thick jersey style material types of sheets. Otherwise, you'll lose some of the cooling effect. I also want to give this mattress a bonus award for being just the coolest looking mattress of all of the ones we received. It just looks cool, even on its own. I think in terms of support and comfort, that this was probably my second favorite after the Helix mattress. The shock absorption was good, and I did like the extra cushion provided by the pillow top. And Brooklyn Bedding, they also offer a 120-night comfort trial. But if you want to return it, then you're going to have to pay $99 return fee. So the returning of this one is not free. They will charge you $99. Next is the Bear Elite Hybrid Mattress, which I rated the best mattress for back pain because of its enhanced lumbar support, which promotes proper spinal alignment. So this mattress strikes a really good balance between plush comfort and dependable support, making it a really good option for like a wide range of people. It feels like it's more firm in the middle section of the mattress, which is where, you know, your back and hips need that extra support. So for me, after most nights of sleeping on this mattress, I didn't wake up feeling stiff, and my back pain was totally fine. I felt really great when I woke up in the morning after sleeping on this mattress. Once again, we did test the medium firmness version, and I felt like it was a little more on the firmer side for my wife's liking, but it still did the trick and supported my back throughout the night. The shock absorption on this one is pretty good as well, so my movement while I slept wasn't really noticed by my wife. It also features a reinforced edge that provides a stable surface across the entire mattress. This prevents feeling like you're going to roll off the mattress even when you're near the edges, which is an issue I've encountered with other pillow top mattresses. Once again, this mattress also comes with a 120-night risk-free trial, so you can return it for a complete refund if you're not satisfied with it. And last but not least is the Birch Luxe mattress, which is actually the highest price mattress of the 5. I think the higher price tag though is due to the fact that the Birch really focuses on its premium, eco-friendly, and thoughtfully sourced natural materials that are featured in this mattress. So for that reason, I'm going to label this one as the best organic mattress. This is actually the thinnest mattress of the bunch, coming in at about 11 inches thick, while most of the other ones, they measured about 14 inches tall. One of the standout qualities of this mattress, though, that we noticed right away is that it seems very breathable. I mean, it's probably due to the fact that it uses a combination of like organic cotton and natural wool and organic like latex that allows for a little bit better airflow. And so because of this, we actually felt less hot while sleeping on this mattress, even though it didn't feature like a specific cooling layer. Like all the others though, this mattress offers a 120-night sleep trial to test it out, and if you don't like it, you can return it. However, there will be a pickup fee of $99, which will be withheld from your total refund. Well, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Mega Mattress Roundup review. Like I said at the beginning, the Helix Midnight Luxe was our #1 choice and has replaced our old Helix mattress. And our daughters have actually already laid their claim to the various other mattresses that we tested out in this review. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these mattresses for yourself, I'll have links down below in the description to make that really easy to find. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video review.